Here's a method I've used to create SimonK based firmware for revised Red Brick speed controllers, namely the 125 amp Blue PCB models. The software I've used is as listed, and you'll need that in order to follow the instructions presented. Do you know which Red Brick you have? Because not all of them will use the RB70A3. Some of them will use other different variants, so do check before following these instructions. From this repo, you'll need the RB70A3.inc file, because you'll need that for the revised Red Bricks. So I'll show you some changes that I'll make to the SimonK source code. So make sure you've got this file and make sure it's in the SimonK folder. And then the bulk of the changes are made in the following file, tgy.asm. And you'll need to make two changes here. You'll need to make sure that you have a definition for the RB70A3, which is listed towards the kind of the top of the file. And then a small way down, the following changes to enable forward and reverse, which is kind of the bare minimum, if you like, for robot combat use. If you're going to use these as drive ESCs, obviously don't change reverse if you're going to use it as a weapon ESC. You can change other things like the braking here as well, should you need to. SimonK is highly configurable, and you can change many settings relating to your speed controller here. However, do proceed with caution, because some of these changes, when made, can and will irreparably break your speed controller, and nobody really wants that to happen. So what I did is I created a batch file with the following contents, and this is so that you don't have to remember the magic incantation required to actually build the firmware. And then once you've run that, you should then end up with a .hex file, and this is the actual firmware itself ready for flashing. Thanks for watching.